Good morning, people. It's Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for clicking. And thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, it's very early in the morning, a beautiful sunny day. I wanted to make this video for you here in my backyard because I told you I am going to keep updating you how my kitchen garden is doing, how my pears are doing, how our new plum tree is doing. So for those ones who don't know, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I do create content here in the US, but originally I am a village girl from East Africa, Kenya. Okay, so join the community. Let's grow this channel. So without wasting your time, I'm gonna set my camera, turn my camera to show you how my kitchen garden first. Before we see the pears, we're gonna see the kitchen garden, because guess what, I am harvesting some kales today because I have guests coming here in my home and we need to cook and eat. So let me turn my camera. Yes, that's my kitchen garden, guys. Look at that. Look at how my kales are doing. Oh my wonderful world. The kales are actually doing wonderful. We have been harvesting these kales, and as I told you, we are not many, but I've been sharing it with family members. I have been sharing it with my neighbors. Look at this night black shade. It's a shading right here, doing so well. I want this night black shade to make seeds. These are the kind of seeds I want. Let me show you a seed. I want the seeds to be purplish. Look, these are the kind of seedlings I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna leave it here so that, of course, I'm gonna harvest it. So because it's not many, I am going to mix this black nightshade, and I'm gonna mix it with bitter leaves together so that I can make a dish. Also, these kales, we are going to cook them separate, but look at my kitchen garden, guys. Organic Texas soil is blessed. Guys, for those ones who don't know, I live here in Texas, and this is what Texas soil actually can do. So over here I have spring onions, which are doing really good. These spring onions, actually, they have been there here the longest. So I have two types of kales. This type here, which is doing amazing, and I'm going to show you another type. Also, we have this type here. I love this type of kales, guys. They are so sweet. All you have to do is to get your tomato, your onions, and your spices, and you are good to go. So I feel like this bitter leaves is going to overwhelm my skumawiki or my kales. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm going to uproot this right here. I'm gonna harvest it, of course, and then we are going to uproot it. Right now, actually, I changed my mind. I want to harvest this one first. This is how we harvest it. Look at that. So I am going to actually harvest it this morning, guys. Yeah, this is how my mama taught me. This is how we harvest. So we are going to harvest it this morning so that actually we can cook it. But I told you I'm going to mix with the bitter leaves. Look at that. So this is how I'm starting my day. I wanted to harvest a little bit late, but I thought, since I'm here and it's just looking at me and telling me, harvest me, harvest me. So we are going to harvest. Let me go get a container in a second. Use actually this container to put our bitter leaves here when I harvest, but let me give you a tour before we can start harvesting. So I have that. Also, we have pumpkin here. Look at those pumpkin seeds. They are overwhelming my kales. I feel like I need to uproot them, but hey, I love pumpkins, so we're gonna eat pumpkins as well. We are going to eat bitter leaves, and I see some. What is this, guys? I see another veggie kunde. For those ones who know, you know, I have some kunde. I have more kales in here, so I'm going to be harvesting this area over here so I can uh, create some more space for my kales. But because all I care right now is about my kales. Also, we have okra. Okra is doing so well here. And look at that okra. Okra is doing so well. Oh my goodness, more okra. So I need to separate this okra here because there's so many in one place. So I need to do justice for this okra. So guys, I am so proud of this kitchen garden. I tell you, I am a proud mama of this kitchen garden. This kitchen is not that big, but do you know how much money I have been able to save just by planting these kales? Because here, let me give you an example. If I go to a grocery store, let me show you. Let me just get some kales. I show you what I mean. If I go to a store, these three leaves like this. This is $1.20 in the store. These one, two, three. What they do is they tie them together like this. So when you go to the store, it's $1. Tell me. And how many dollars do I have down here? That is how expensive America is. And that's how precious these kales are. So that's why I tell you guys, it doesn't matter what kind of space you have. Even if you have a pot, if you live here in the US or wherever, UK, or overseas, anywhere, where you have something that is called soil or manure, you can get a pot, you can get somewhere and just plant these kales. They can save you um your bank. You don't have to break your bank. Like now I could have broken my bank because can you imagine buying this $1.20? How many am I going to buy for my family to enjoy or to eat? It's a lot of money. Okay, so I'm saving a lot by just planting this, and this one is gonna go a long way. All I have to do is to buy tomatoes because I have onions here, so I don't have to buy onions. I have my spring onions right here. So onions is out of my side, kales is out of my side. That is lots of money in my bank that I have saved. I can use that money to do something else. Okay, so that's what I mean. It's good to plant organic. So I'm gonna harvest kales. I'm gonna harvest bitter leaves. I'm gonna mix with black shade. So yeah, that's what exactly. But before I do that, I'm going to give you a little bit tour of my kitchen garden. Let me show you something, guys. This is our plum tree. It's a fruit. It's a plum fruit. Look how it's doing. It's coming along really well. It's blossoming, it's growing, getting taller and taller. And what we do here when we cut grass, we just put this grass here around to create manure for this plum tree to grow healthy. And I feel like, guys, my my pumpkin is growing so much, so I need to figure a way so that it doesn't have to spread and kill my kales. So we are going to figure out how we're going to do this. But before that, I wanted to give you a little bit of tour of my kitchen garden, which you guys have seen is doing fantastic, and I am so excited. Also, my mint is minting over here. This is mint. For those ones who don't know, you can use mint in different ways. If you love tea, strong tea, coffee, milk tea, whatever, even porridge, actually you can just literally put the mint in there, or you can make smoothie and drop mint in there if you love the smell of mint. So we have mint, we have more pumpkin here growing. So let me take you around so you can see my pears. Oh well, guys, look at my pears. They are getting bigger and bigger. It's windy, guys, but they're getting bigger and bigger. And I love to update you about these pears so that you can see together until we start eating. So I told you that I have two pears. For those ones who are new here, I have two pairs of trees in my backyard. This is one pear tree here, and there is another pear tree on this other side. And you can see there's lots and lots of pears here. Oh my world. Oh my world. Look at those pears. So we cannot wait towards the end of June. This is May. The end of June, actually, we are eating these pears, guys. Look at that. We are absolutely going to be eating these pears. Look at that. I'm loving it. So I wanted to give you a tour this morning so that you can see. Let me show you my neighbor's flower tree. I love this tree, guys. I don't know what kind of tree is this. If you know, tell me. Look at this. Look at those purple flowers that are coming from my neighbor. Look at that. I love this tree. I feel like I need to be taking pictures here. I'll be taking pictures. Look at that. Ooh, there's something in here. I don't know what it is. You know, this neighbor has so many birds and snakes and whatever is in there. So sometimes it's scary. But hey, I wanted to show you how beautiful this looks like. So far, my grass is doing well. We are going to spray some manure, but it's doing well. Yeah. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you want for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle so that you can get this kind of content, so that you can keep eye on these pears whenever we are going to harvest and when we are going to start eating. Also, you can keep eye on my kitchen garden so that we see how it's going to do. So far, I wanted to update you guys. If you have not subscribed, I told you, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And for those ones who are watching, please make sure when you watch a video, like the video, and also give me a little bit of comment there how I'm doing. That gives me courage to keep uploading more videos, guys. I don't want to bore you with this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video from my kitchen garden. Ciao.